Hey, in this video, we'll be talking about Fetch.ai because in the last video, I gave you a perfect go and we managed to take some profit on the way up. Yes, there was some turbulences, but we knew the next few days would be green or sideways. They were green or sideways on Fed. Now the question is, what is going to happen right now, right here? Here are a few scenarios. The first thing I wanted to open is this chart right here, and it is the delta of buys and sells right here. We have primarily bearish delta. We have 90 mil sales versus 90 mil buys, 87 mil sales versus 82 buys, 59 sales, 18, 19, and so on. So what I expect right now is a continuation of dumps, which might stop soon, but I need confirmation. So dumps might stop soon, but VWAP delta is bearish. Wait for VWAP to curve up on the daily chart with a close. So this is what I would be looking for to actually enter my next trade. It doesn't let me go here. I want to organize this text a little bit more so whenever I say this, I know how to react. By the way, this video is no financial advice. So this is exactly how I will be looking to play this out. I'll wait for this view of this graphing to curve up with a nice angle, just like so, with a close. And then I know the next 1-2 days will be green, just like so. So this is basically how I'm planning to trade FET. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. There's a lot of good things that are happening right now in the signal chat as well, but I'll just let you check the links in the description down below for that. I'm partnered up with Deep Trade XAI to give you some amazing things, like $1,000 in a prize pool in the early bird benefits, the grand launch. They also have prompts in their Deep Trade XAI to create your own bot. I think it's definitely worth checking out. I'll have all the links in the description down below. Love with all my heart. See you next video. Bye.